Hi everybody, welcome to Cracked Lacquer Nail Studio. I'll be doing acrylic and gel designs with 3D and even 4D sculpting and of course, bling. I will also be sharing some tips for growing beautiful, healthy, natural nails and how to deal with nail product allergies. There will be affiliate links for the products I use in the description box below. Please like and subscribe, and please hit the bell if you want to be notified of future videos. Today I'm making a black opal nail, and I'm going to do the free edge to look like the black opal also. I'm starting with the clear acrylic to make a strong foundation. The black acrylic powder that I'm going to be using may not be strong enough because it's mixed with a lot of mica powder. So it needs to be strong. And of course I'm doing the nail plate too. Don't need to in this nail, but I'm just gonna do it. I'm going to use a cover pink. It's got a little shimmer in it. It's from Mia Secret, and I love it. It's what I always use. That and the cover pink. They're are the natural beige acrylic powder. They're just gorgeous. This I'm going to shape into a V. So I'm going to be putting the black pigment powder just at the bottom of the V for starters. Bringing it around the sides. I'm going to be really picky about those sides so that they're nice and sharp when I go to file. And I'll be covering the whole free edge of this nail with the black. Not up very high because I want a good thick layer of the clear acrylic on top. It just gives the nail a little bit of depth. It's time for me to put the Mylar. There's no real strategy to put this Mylar on. I didn't really pick through the colors or the pieces. I added some purple and some blue and a little bit of green. And of course Mylar just shimmers all kinds of colors. Even if it's blue, it looks like it's a rainbow. It's very beautiful. I'm just going to put those, just make sure the black's covered and it's not, the pieces aren't so close together you can't see any black. You want to be able to see the black underneath. Well, there it is before the clear acrylic. I think it's ready for the clear acrylic. I buffed all that black off of the top. Looks like there might be still some on there, but I think it's just a shadow. So I'm gonna put the clear all over the Mylar, all over it, in between it, and making sure there's no bubbles in between. Some of the flakes, they kind of stand up, or they're sideways, or they have little pieces that are kind of not flat. So just to make sure, I'm gonna do this. And if there's any bubbles, if you see any, just push your nail brush down in there and it'll get rid of them for you. I've went ahead and filed and got it ready to put the top coat on. That looks great. That turned out better than I thought it would. It's really nice. It's time for some kind of bling, I guess. I'm using the black. Thought the black would be the best choice to put any kind of gems on here. Anything else, the colored or the twinkly or whatever, it would have taken away from the nail, but also it would have taken away from the little black opal gem that I'm going to be making. That's the frame. So now I'm going to make the little teardrop, same shape as I put the black gems. I'm going to make that into a black opal stone. Time to put some Mylar on there. Again, there's no real strategy. I just don't want to cover all the black, so I'm just going to be putting just a few pieces on there. I just put a little bit of clear acrylic powder to make the bubble, and I kept it rounded. I didn't facet it or anything like that, and now I'm putting on the top coat. Still trying to make sure I keep the shape of a bubble. it's ready for some black gems to go around the black opal stone. Just using my dotting tool to get the line of gel a little more exact, and if I use the brush, then it kind of blobs on and kind of goes everywhere. Either it's not enough or it's too much, so this is an easy way to do it. I'm going to put some gems around here, the same shape, and I'll be back when I'm done. I'm going to put some gems around here, the same shape, and I'll be back when I'm done. That's it. The black opal looks pretty good. Not as beautiful as a real black opal, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.